Naveed Qamar, Syed Naveed Qamar Urdu, Syed Naveed Qamar, born 22 September 1955, is a Pakistani politician who has been a member of the National Assembly of Pakistan since August 2018. Previously, he was a member of the National Assembly between 1990 and May 2018. He served as Minister for Defense and Minister for Finance between 2008 and 2013. Early life and education. Qamar was born in Karachi, Sindh on 22 September 1955 to the former Deputy Speaker of the Sindh Assembly Qamar Zaman Shah. Qamar received his BSc Hons degree in Computer Science from Manchester University in 1976. He did his MS in Management from Northrop University in 1978 and received his MBA degree from California State University in 1979. Qamar is married and has 3 daughters and a son. Political career. Qamar began his political career by electing to the Provincial Assembly of Sindh in 1988 Pakistani general election on Pakistan People's Party's platform from P-37 Hyderabad, where he served from 19 November 1988 till 6 August 1990. He held the portfolio as Provincial Minister of Sindh for Information. He was elected to the National Assembly of Pakistan in 1990 Pakistani general election on PPP ticket. He was re-elected to the National Assembly in 1993 Pakistani general election on PPP ticket and became chairman of the Privatization Commission of Pakistan. He was re-elected to the National Assembly in 1997 Pakistani general election on PPP ticket and was appointed as the Federal Minister for Finance and Privatization. He was re-elected to the National Assembly in 2002 Pakistani general election on PPP ticket from an Amanus 222. He was re-elected to the National Assembly in 2008 Pakistani general election from an Amanus 222 constituency on PPP ticket and was made Federal Minister for Privatization with the He also briefly held the portfolio of Federal Minister for Finance for 5 months in 2008. In August 2009, he was made Federal Minister for Petroleum and Natural Resources with additional charge of Minister for Privatization. He was removed from the post of Federal Minister for Petroleum and Natural Resources and was given portfolio of Ministry of Water and Power in March 2011. In 2011, he was made Federal Minister for Defense. He was re-elected to the National Assembly from an Amanus 222 constituency on PPP ticket in 2013 Pakistani general election. He served as the Chairman Standing Committee on Railways from 2013 till 2018. In 2016, he was made Parliamentary Leader of PPP in the National Assembly, where he served until 2018. After Nawaz Sharif resigned as Prime Minister of Pakistan in July 2017, Qamar was nominated by PPP as the party's candidate for the office of Prime Minister. He secured 47 votes by the National Assembly members against his PMLN candidate Shahid Khakan Abbasi, who secured 221 votes. He was re-elected to the National Assembly as a candidate of PPP from constituency and Amanus 228 Tando Mohammad Khan in 2018 Pakistani general election. He is serving as the Chairman Standing Committee on Commerce from September 2018. References